Hello student, welcome to DSS online class. I am your English teacher Santosh sir, and today I present with the new video of present continuous tense of active and passive verbs. Dear student, in previous video we have already learned the rule of present, simple past and simple future. Dear student, in same way we also learn the present continuous tense. प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस में अगर कोई सेंटेंस दिया है तो उसको हम लोग पैसिव वॉइस में कैसे कन्वर्ट करते हैं, इसको हम लोग आज पढ़ेंगे. तो फर्स्ट we discuss the rule of affirmative sentence. Dear student, affirmative sentence is a simple sentence or it is a positive sentence that there is no any negative sense or there is no any question or interrogative sentence are there. So simple affirmative sentence is also known as simple sentence or positive sentence. So, we have already learned about the formula on which present continuous sentence is formed. हम लोग पहले ही जब टेंस का लेसन पढ़ रहे थे उस समय हम लोगों ने ऑलरेडी पढ़ चुका है कि जो सिंपल प्रेजेंट कॉन्टिन्यूअस टेंस है उसको कैसे बनाते हैं, कैसे उसका फॉर्मूला होता है. सो द फॉर्मूला इज सब्जेक्ट प्लस अकॉर्डिंग टू सब्जेक्ट इज एम आर इज रिटन एंड देन वर्ब का ing फॉर्म प्लस ऑब्जेक्ट प्लस एक्सेट्रा. दीज आर द रूल्स दैट ऑन विच present continuous sentence are formed. Okay student, now we discuss the rule of passive voice. जब passive voice में उसको convert करते हैं तो क्या रूल होना चाहिए. So here is the rule. First of all we write object of the sentence. जो sentence का object होता है उसको हम लोग passive voice में पहले राइट करते हैं. Then according to object is am or is written. If object is in singular then is written. If object is I then am is written, and when object is in plural form then are is written. Okay student, and after is am are we write being. इस MR के बाद से being write करते हैं. Then third form of the verb का third form plus by plus subject plus etc. जो भी सेंटेंस में आते हैं उसको write करते हैं. Okay student, these are the simple rules that we form active to passive. Okay student, now here are some examples that clear these rules. Okay student, now the sentence is, first sentence of active voice is he is reading book. वह किताब पढ़ रहा है. So it is very simple sentence, affirmative sentence. And when we form in passive voice, first here book is object. So book is object, and in passive voice first of all we write object. So book, then book is in singular form, then we write is. Then being, then third form of the verb, it means reading. रीड का थर्ड फॉर्म रीड होता है. देन बाय एंड देन सब्जेक्ट का ऑब्जेक्टिव केस. then him. So sentence is book is being read by him. Okay student. Now second sentence. She is singing a song. She is singing a song. In this sentence, a song is the object. So first we write object, then a song is the singular, then we write is, and then being, then sing the third form sung, and by, and see का objective is her, and then we write her. So passive voice is a song is being sung by her. Okay student. And third question, third example, we are playing hockey. हम लोग हॉकी खेल रहे हैं. And passive voice is first we write object. Here is the object. Hockey is the singular. Then we write is, and after that being, and then third form of the verb is play, and third form of play is play, and then by, then us. So student, these are the examples and the rules are there, and on the basis of these examples you can also frame passive voice of present continuous tense of affirmative sentence. Okay. Hello student, now discuss the rule of negative sentence of present continuous tense. अब हम लोग जो है प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस के नेगेटिव रूल्स के बारे में डिस्कस करेंगे. So negative rule means, negative sentence means if questions have not between them. क्वेश्चन जो सेंटेंस होता है उसके बीच में नॉट लिखा गया है. Okay student, now the rule of negative sentence is first we write subject of the sentence, and according to subject of the sentence we have to write is, am, are. If sentence is in singular, then we write is. If the sentence is subject is I, मैं, then we write am. If subject is plural, then we write are. Subject अगर plural होता है तो are write करते हैं. Then not, because it is a negative sentence. Then verb का ing form plus object plus etc. जो भी होता है सेंटेंस में उसको ऑब्जेक्ट के बाद राइट कर देते हैं. एंड हियर फॉर्मूला ऑफ चेंजिंग इन पैसिव वॉइस. पैसिव वॉइस में उसको कैसे चेंज करते हैं, इसके लिए फॉर्मूला है. फर्स्ट वी राइट ऑब्जेक्ट, देन अकॉर्डिंग टू ऑब्जेक्ट इज, एम, आर. ऑब्जेक्ट के अकॉर्डिंग इज, एम, आर को राइट करते हैं. Just as we discussed here. And after is MR, not को write करते हैं because it is a negative sentence. Then being सब में होता है, चाहे वो continuous का sentence हो. Then verb का third form plus by plus subject plus etc. जो भी sentence में होता है उस सब्जेक्ट के बाद राइट करते हैं. एंड हियर सम एग्जांपल्स आर देयर दैट क्लियर दीज रूल्स. इस रूल को जो है और ज्यादा क्लियर कर देंगे. एक एग्जांपल्स, फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज मोहन इज नॉट बाइंग अ कार. इट मींस मोहन जो है एक कार नहीं खरीद रहा है. सो पैसिव वॉइस, पैसिव वॉइस first we write a car. A car is the object of this sentence. इस सेंटेंस में जो एक्टिव एस में लिखा है आकार जो है क्या है, ऑब्जेक्ट है। देन इज रिटन हियर, इज को राइट करते हैं। देन नॉट को राइट करते हैं। देन बीइंग and then third form of the verb. So by का third form bought and by more. So passive voice of this sentence is a car is not being bought by Mohan. Okay, student? And second sentence is you are not selling apples. It means तुम सेब नहीं बेच रहे हो। Okay, and here apple is the object. So first I write apples, and apples is in plural form. Therefore we write are. Okay, student? And then not, because it is a negative sentence. नहीं बेच रहे हो, negative. Then we write here not. Then being, then sell का third form sold, then buy and then you का subjective case और objective case दोनों same होता है। So I write you here. Okay, student? I think, I hope you understand these rules very clearly, and on the basis of these rules you can also transform active to passive whatever given in your book. Okay, student? Thanks.